Hey fellow plant nerds, I almost waited a little bit too late to make this video. We've got a beautiful fall afternoon here. We're gonna go to the Greenstalk. We finally are gonna pick some broccoli, and I said I can't go cut the first broccoli of the year without bringing my YouTube buddies. So I brought my colander out. I got my Felco number 2s that I can't get out with one hand, but let's go here. Look at this broccoli, y'all. This Greenstalk has just done freaking amazing for me. I love this daggum thing. But look at this nice big old head of broccoli. You can see it's starting to kind of turn yellowish right in there, so that means it's definitely ready. And then once we cut it, that will allow more energy to go down here to the other little broccoli pods, heads that are coming on. So let's go right up in here. Now I got to figure out how to catch it and hold the GoPro, and that did not work out like I wanted. Okay, so we didn't catch it, but nonetheless, we didn't lose it. So I'm gonna throw that in our colander. I don't think I have any more broccoli that's ready on the Greenstalk, but since we have our handy dandy spinny base, I can spin it around and check, and yeah, it's not quite ready. But have no fear, up here in our raised bed garden, we got plenty. Ooh, doggies, y'all, it's getting chilly out here, man. And I just got home from the garden center. I hate the time change or standard time or whatever you want to call it. I hate getting off work and it already being dark. It sucks. And then I'm ready for bed at like 8 o'clock. Okay, let's see if we can do this without dropping it. Let me show you all the raised bed real quick while I have enough light. Look at the growth of this thing, man. All that Espoma Landense compost, our compost, as well as the biotone, the worm castings. Look at what a difference. And of course, if y'all just heard the bird squawking right there, every single time I turn on the camera, the parrots start squawking. Never fails. Anyway, look at the healthy green growth on them. The kale, mustard greens, cabbage, collards, broccoli, and even our leaf lettuce over here looks amazing. All right, let's see how I can do this without dropping my broccoli in the dirt. Maybe if I just cut a little part way through, then we can just come in and break it off. Yeah, that works. Look at that beauty, man. Now the other one that we just picked was obviously a little further along, but this is gonna be so nice and fresh and tender. I accidentally cut one of the little guys off too, so we'll throw him in our strainer. And now, like I said earlier, on the other plant, these guys will have more energy now to form nice big old heads. I wonder if I can just come in here and break this off. Yep, I can. And I also can drop it. Man, I am not doing good. I ain't even started drinking yet, y'all. I don't know what's going on. We'll throw him in our strainer, and let's see what else we have got. How many more broccoli? Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah, it's so rewarding to be able to come right out into your own backyard and get the food for your table. But I need my cutters on him because he's got a really thick stalk. Let's see, we'll just go ahead, come in right about here, cut almost all the way through. That way I can put my Felcos down, grab him, break him off. Oh man, it's gonna be so good. And here's another one over here that's ready. Again, I'm just gonna come in, cut him a little bit, break him right off. Let's see if we got any more. That might be it for now. That's actually ready. Hang on though. Oh, there's an, oh, whoa, look at that dude. Golly, that is beautiful. Let's see if I can just break him off. Yeah. Oh man, it's so exciting when you fold leaves back and you find these big old broccoli heads. So cool. Let's see, I think, yeah, let's go ahead and get this guy also. I love these young little tender tops like this. It's gonna be good with some cheese on it in a minute. That should make a nice little meal right there, don't y'all think? All right, let's get this in the house, get it washed up, and get to steaming it. Pepe, have you done anything at all today? No? I don't blame you. Been kind of a cloudy, drizzly, typical fall day. We're mid-November, yeah, because Thanksgiving is in like 2 weeks. So it's a beautiful time of year, but it just gets dark early. All right, so what do we got set up in here? I've got my pot and pan that's got a strainer inside of it. I already put just a little bit of water in the bottom, so we can go ahead, get that turned on. We'll leave it on high because we want it to steam. Take these guys over to the sink and get them washed up. Alrighty, we just want to give these a nice cold water rinse. So let me let the water cool. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I had to do the dishes real quick because I'd let them pile up. Because, well, I hate doing dishes. But I said, Ryan, you can't show that mess on your YouTube channel, so I had to wash a few little dishes. But now we got our water back to cold. We're just gonna rinse them off really good, especially the ones that we dropped accidentally in the dirt. Get any kind of grit off of them, and that should be about good right there. Give them a little shake. Now let's go over here and see if we got any steam yet. Don't see it cooking just quite yet, but it's such a small amount of water in there. Shouldn't be long at all. I'm using this Le Creuset, I guess is how you say it, Le Creuset, if you want to be fancy. This is some really, really good cookware. Not the cheapest, but we used to go to Beaufort, South Carolina a lot. And I remember down off Interstate 95, they have a Le Creuset kind of outlet. And man, they make good quality cookware. So if you have a cook in your family, it'd be a perfect gift idea. All right, I'm just gonna throw a couple paper towels underneath this strainer slash colander. Is colander the right word? I was thinking about that outside. You ever just have one of those brain fart moments where it's like, you haven't used a word in a long time or something, and it's like, just sounds strange, and I was wondering if I was even using the right word, but strainer, colander, whatever you want to call it. Make sure my pot is centered on the flame, and we should be steaming here in just another few seconds. Why do my scissors always disappear? There they are. So we are using a very gourmet cheese tonight. I just love Velveeta. You can use whatever you want. Well, this just brings back so many childhood memories whenever I taste this stuff, man. I just love it. We're gonna come in, I'm gonna cut a little corner off so that I can drizzle it all over. I like it all over the whole, cover as much broccoli as possible. All right, we are starting to steam. So, ow, I'm trying not to burn my fingers. And we're just gonna drop the broccoli right on down in here. Get it all in, throw that lid on. It shouldn't take long because that's not a tremendous amount of broccoli. And just a couple minutes, we just want it to turn dark green, get tender, and we'll hit it with that cheese, and we are in business. And I probably will cook some chicken nuggets for my son. It's single dad life around here, man. I just do the best I can. I did make a killer chicken stew over the weekend. Matter of fact, before I started filming too, I looked at this area. I had junk splattered everywhere. Because my chicken stew, I always make like a giant vat of it because I like to freeze it. It takes about 6 hours for the whole entire process, so I like to make a lot, make it worthwhile. But I had this place destroyed. It's only been like a minute. Ooh, look at that color change, man. Turning that nice deep green. I can't wait. Smells amazing. All right, it's been about 3 minutes total time. I'm gonna grab one of these little ones and just check it out real quick. But yeah, it feels really tender. I think they're ready. Gotta get it cooled down a little bit so I don't burn my tongue. Oh yeah, they're ready. Let's get them. All right, turn that off. Let me grab me some rags real quick. And I'm just gonna dump it right on my plate because I'm the only one that eats broccoli. So I get to have it all. It's all mine. Let's see, I'll dump it out so you guys can see. Oh, baby. Yes, sir, that smells amazing. Check it out, y'all. Look at that beautiful green color. All right, let's go ahead and hit it with some cheese while it's nice and hot. I'm gonna let this Velveeta just melt all over the top of it, and I like a lot of cheese. I love the taste of the broccoli, but that cheese is where it's at, buddy. Oh, look at that. We're gonna have us a daggum cooking show, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze this dude like a tube of toothpaste. Get all that deliciousness out. What you talking about? Oh, I think that's it. All right. All right, let's get in here on some of this good cheesy action. Oh my God, look at that, you guys. Wish y'all could taste it. Y'all help me grow this. But unfortunately, you can't help me eat it. That's money right there. It simply cannot get any fresher than that. And I swear, stuff that you grow, it just tastes better. I gotta have me some more. Oh my goodness. That cheese. Daggone. Well, guys, sorry y'all couldn't try any, but I appreciate you helping me grow it. Appreciate you hanging out with me, and I would appreciate if you hit that like and subscribe down there for me now. And always remember, the more you know, the more you grow. See you on the next video.